In New York, if you're going through a divorce or a custody dispute, there's often questions as to what is custody. And there's two forms of custody in New York. We have physical custody and legal custody. Physical custody deals with who is the child spending time with? Where is the child? It's a child with the mother, it's a child with the father. And then we'll have also another concept of who is the primary physical custodian of the child. The other custody type is legal custody, and that deals with making decisions. So decision making regarding the child. And those decisions are typically the major decisions, not the day-to-day decisions. What are they going to eat? Or outfit they're going to wear? But major decisions. Where are they going to go to school? What type of religion are they going to practice? Medical decisions that need to be made. So all the important decisions, how are the two parents, how are you going to co-parent and make decisions for your child? The legal concepts that the courts apply in every child custody situation is best interest of the child. So what is in the best interest of this child? Is it in the best interest of the child to be living primarily with mom or with dad? Where is the child going to thrive the most? The courts also look at for consistency. They want to look at familiarity, not to disrupt and change your life all too much. And they also look at who was the primary provider of the child throughout the marriage, like who is taking them to doctor's appointments and dentist appointments and to school, making sure they had the right food to eat, and who was primarily the caretaker of this child. It is certainly possible to change custody orders in New York. It may not be easy, but these are things that happen all the time. So there may be a change in circumstances. Things have come up. Maybe one parent became ill or something, God forbid, happened to the child in the custody of the other parent, and it's no longer safe for the child to continue with whatever arrangement is going on. So you could certainly bring a motion and bring this to the attention of the court and have them evaluate the circumstances to determine if the existing custody arrangement is still in the best interest of the child or if it needs to change. I get asked this question all the time: can I move with my child? So generally speaking, the child is under the control, so to speak, of the state where the child resides. So if the child has been living in New York, the New York courts have an interest in that child, and you can't take them across state lines and just pick up and move. There's a lot of different considerations, of course, but if circumstances come up and there's a need to relocate for whatever reason, you can do it under two circumstances. A, you can either approach the other parent, say, I need to relocate, get their permission, of course, work out new visitation schedules with them. Or if you can't get the approval of the other parent, you can go to the court and you can apply to the court for very good reasons why you need to relocate with this child. Some of the circumstances under which a parent can relocate with a child may be that the parent has a new job or they need to relocate for various reasons, and then they're demonstrating that there's a lot of family around, there's other opportunities, the children will be entering into a better school and have more opportunities. There's a lot of different reasons why people need to relocate, and the courts will determine that on a case-by-case basis. If you have any additional questions about custody in New York, please give Sabra Law Group a call for consultation.